Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, it's a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maaaring mag-shift ang energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. Okay? Wow, so secret admirer. So someone here is watching you from afar, secretly watching you. Ayaw niya magpakilala with the sunglasses. Diba alam naman natin pag may suot na sunglasses is parang ayaw magpakilala, ayaw magpakita, parang mga nag-iimbestiga na nagtatago, ganyan. So this person is investigating you na ayaw niya magpakilala sa iyo, ayaw niya magpakita, ayaw niya ipakita sa yung feelings niya, yung na gusto ka niya or mahal ka niya. Pero ang lakas ng energy nitong taong ito na nararamdaman niya sa iyo, this magnetic pull. Parang wala siyang magawa kasi parang ang babaw ng kanyang self-esteem. Parang iniisip niya na hindi mo siya magugustuhan or he or she is not good enough for you, mga ganyan. Pero ang lalim ang lalim with this deep well, ang lalim ng nararamdaman niya sa'yo. So, tingnan pa natin 'to. Sino 'to? Secret admirer. Ayaw niya sabihin, ayaw niya iparamdam. Tingnan pa natin. Telephone. Ayan, so this person is planning to call you. Pero tingnan natin kung magagawa niya 'to ng go signal. Ayan, candle. Candle yung bottom card. Para kasing dinadaga pa siya, hindi niya uy, ano yun? Hindi niya maano sa sarili niya kung papaano kanya kakausapin, papaano kanya tatawagan. Wow, ang bagal talaga ng energy niya, with this Knight of Pentacles. It's the slowest knight. Pero, kaya nga kasi itong card na to is slowly but surely. The World and Four of Wands. Uy, parang hopeless romantic energy ito na old soul. Alam mo yung tipo ng panliligaw, kung lalaki 'to yung tipo ng panliligaw niya is parang makaluma, yung gusto niya haharanahin ka pa, yung mga gano'n, kakantahan ka, gano'n. Hindi siya yung tipo ng tao na gusto niya ng instant or easy to get. Gusto niya paghihirapan niya talaga, okay? We have here the Two of Pentacles. So, ang tagal niya nag-juggling kung paano niya 'to gagawin, paano niya 'to sisimulan. We have here the High Priestess, King of Wands, Page of Swords, and the Ten of Pentacles. Wow. Pero puro pag-i-stalk lang yung ginagawa niya. Puro pagtingin, puro hanggang tingin lang ganun. Hanggang tingin lang pero hindi masabi yung gusto sabihin. We have here the Queen of Swords sa bottom card. Ito yung tipo ng tao na may energy siya o aura na parang cold, distant, ganun. Suplado-suplada ang energy, ganun. Yung unang first impression, suplado or suplada. This person is parang napakatipid, sumagot, oo lang, hindi kapag tinanong mo, tapos pangiti-ngiti lang dyan. Ganon yung energy nitong taong to. Sobrang mahiyain. And ayun, tahimik lang. Ayan, tingnan natin. Tingnan pa natin to sa ating messages ng Archangels. Hello from Heaven by Archangel Azrael. Your loved ones in heaven are doing fine. Let go of worries and feel their loving blessings. Okay, so ayan, you're guided by your ancestors. Yung mga loved ones mo ay they are protecting you, guiding you. Tingnan natin. The Hidden Truth Oracle cards. You and I were too young. It was my fault, but I blamed you. I wish I had treated you better. I left and I saw you with someone. So for some of you, kaya nahihiya itong taong ito dahil from the past energy na yung iba sa inyo, from the past energy to. Kaya nahihiya siyang lumapit. Kasi alam niyo may nagawa siyang di maganda. It's time for me to heal now. I want to be more than friends. And for some of you na friend zone, may mga na friend zone before. I know I messed up everything. I wonder if you're happy without me. Bottom card, I hide behind material things. And tingnan natin sa ating tarot messages card. I'm so in love with you. Letting you go, walking away, it's a disaster. Oh, yung separation nyo, I want you back. Okay, so ang lakas nga ng energy ng past person. You're so sweet and caring. Please accept my cup of love. You're my strength and I want solid foundations. Being defensive sa bottom card. Okay, tingnan natin sa initial. Letter T. Y, thank you. Ayan, kung magsalita siya ng thank you, hindi niya kayang banggitin yung buong words. Para kasing hirap siya na banggitin yung buong thank you na salita. Pag nagpapasalamat ka, sabi niya, TY, ganun lang. TY. XDQ. Letter FNW. Isa pa. Letter E. Bottom card natin R. And tingnan natin sa blue card, we have here family. Confessions, ayan o. Oo, gusto niya nang sabihin, no? Yung mga gusto niya sabihin na hindi niya masabi. And marriage, so ayan, gusto niya ng family with you in the future. To have this marriage and family. So, tingnan natin, general signs and the messages. Visayas, May, February, number 1, Capricorn, November, fantastic friend. So, after siguro ng separation or breakup or kung ano man yung nangyari sa inyo nitong taon to, naging friends na lang kayo pero parang hindi na rin kayo nag-usap after that, nangyaring yon. Taurus, neighbor, friendly, emotional, birthmark, skin tag, number 7, good heart, o another, hindi pala, twin flame, ayan. January, sarcastic and soon. Chaser, soon daw hahabol na siya. Sexy body, earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, caring, flower farm, and Sagittarius. Okay. So, yan ang ating reading, my beautiful souls. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.